So impose
Bia say odi ohye e catch obi so onye bi na wrong.
Okay.
Sabi nyame oboy en kra no odi ye pe aman. Enu ti na Adam ni Eve ochrom say munye we wanfa ohye amom so. Obetimi a time na nka owo no kwakoma omo adi aduaba no obetimi a appear no kasa momundi. But the self we na will not the amount no jai say omo hwe. And your first time I deal with see. To send your brand kind, God is too powerful for you to fight for him.
Okay. Akawasonko enkoma wa wohwe mesabre ewutuma GH so nyamisha woseda ne da unya ebre eje edwa etie nsem ayede ebesomo na ene dey yede ani ekokopiem ewo eye Nigeria produe no emu eye Zokoto State amene wo ekaseye ediem abaya ne din ababeto edwa ene eye Deborah Yakubu ebusuafo eye enkrofo a wone wo mo ewo group mu school group mu no ni kasaye bia ekoso a ankoye etenam so amachese wo mabu abaye yi na nke no nkwa enkonkosi we wo mabu no vie ya na chese wo masa so asa hye no enimu no so ede aka eye ho no nam so ama eye Nigeria produce no sini twafo no wo mo nkeka ho de wo mo ede wo mo ano ato ensem no emu epi na audio a eka eye ensem no eho eno abusua mankotie emfa emane ba mechemu ede amamu.
Holy Ghost fire ba abun da zai faru da mu. Dole ne wasu abubuwan da ya kamata ku tura muna ba wai an yi group din ga don ture abubuwan banza bane fa. An yi don pass you in akwai test in an bada assignment a tura ba wai abubuwan banzan ga za ku tura muna ba manzon Allah din me an buro ba.
Ga abin da wannan makiya Allah ta
Jona odofo said okotie eye ensem no eno no na eye Hausa kasa nye obia na ebete eye ase na nensem no said na wo chire mu enene se young school group a wo mu ewo mu no na eye ade se wo hu ne se school group no say ebia test ebe koso exams ni bibia e no mo de sansem no be den ebebeto ho no nya de say efa asore ho nyoma de keka ho no na wo so wo mo enye den emfa ento eno na kire say eya abrantia wo posti adekode ewo eye page no eso na kire so no ye muslimini no ohun ne say eye because of the posti yenti e na ma abaya no so emeke eye search comment no e de ama nti ene wo mo amfa wo mo anche na say de ye caption efa audio yi eho no eba ase no eni o say Deborah Samuel, the reason why she was beaten today and burned to death in Sokoto, apparently she was killed all because she dared to challenge her classmates who always sent religious broadcast message in their school group. After she had told them to stop doing that, they instead started sending her death threats. So she replied in the above voice note, speaking in Hausa. The English translation says, Holy Ghost fire, nothing would happen to me. It is by force you guys would always be sending this religious stuff in the group. The group wasn't created for that, but rather as a notice for when there is a test, assignment, exams, etc. Not these nonsense religious posts. And someone did two John and I'm so men name no say any about Deborah one can a year at as for a na me no say actor you odochi edina no atun say no more who say yeah abaya ni ewo no one more this abon for some no yenche woman na the Twitter page no so no comment our there by was say I condemn the killing of Deborah. The perpetrators must be brought to justice. God who created all humans and all the earth is powerful enough to fight his battles. Yes, I want to be president, whether you vote for me or not. My ambition will never stop me from speaking the truth. And no any dia were there by and I just and some no emu edo Christopher etimi esore waka say ebinom say we my enye no say eye religion say Muslim so enunti na onkofo no tu sa eye anamon nemu ye ma wo mu say wo ma ye de enye enti entwe wo ma so director members e wa ha ye no wo mu edom eja mo akwa
Yeah, me there.
Bibi abokodi
Oba dia tarwa. Enti asidi.
Yeda Christo ase. Sa uwo group bi mu. Now, ya posti bibia to maybe the purpose of a group no you say Debbia, you say you group at the baby news too. Is it wrong? Say obi enya inspiration e dey free bia the Bible mu and the Quran mu. No what the baba two group ne eso no wo be share say the be ya ebinom enso so ebetime tie ne bia mpaye bia wo bobo efo so bi wo ho sa na.
It's not wrong, but at the same time, near idea you offend.
Okay.
If I may say, imposition of idea or be wrong.
So impose it you.
Bia say or the or share catch up so you be wrong.
Okay.
Say be nyame oboy en kra no or the yepe amai. And nothing na Adam if or Trump say munye we wamfa or share amom so. Obetimi at time nanka or one kwakoma or my dear but obetimi appear no kasa mondi. But the self winner will not the amount jai say omo hwe. And your first time I deal with see to send your brand kind God is too powerful for you to fight for him.
Okay.
And to send your chi yes you didn't call get semen na Peter Twense kind of. Or say don't you know I can tell my father to command the whole host of angels to fight on my behalf.
Okay.
Yeah to send your nya hypocrisy in a higher. You see, say who religion I respect your religion, respect mine.
Okay.
It means that ultimately and far idea men pen and muscle.
Okay.
Especially when it comes to group, diverse people. A be a Christopher, be a Muslim for it. Me put here. Sometimes it feels like what the be better what it should be motivational message. And for every religion be able. Okay. Because religion is cause of so many wars. Nyame ayehu ne dana de bia yekoma no. Eya na mobo. Because sebe nyame no te the baby no. Wakone ko fiti Adam reso.
Okay.
Wakoma de bi wakone ko. Onya woni pa wakoma no. High time I say you educate in conformity say your religion you don't have to fight for your religion.
Okay.
Nia say wo yan say religion no edo be ko baby a opese wo ko.
Okay.
Eya ye one too many. Obi beka asemati obi no ya sorry ye kokko o kokko ama hwan ya na hu so gina wa kokko ama no unua no wakuno no nia guy can a criminal offense it's when they should take religion out of it and deal with the people straight. Yeah
na unhu ne say ye de oba no so kan ye na pushi ye wo mo di sa bonifosem no
there be what the idea about to post na me can say group way and creative for whatever religion that is the right thing. And your religious group is it?
Yeah.
Fine.
A school group.
Thank you. So what can some na mean to me reply wa? And your papa. What can some much who threaten me? I should be able to reply you.
Okay. And
tell you that nothing will happen. That should end it there. But so who say because man can wait to know who be show me say who na why criminal no. Because say no more yes no. He just crime say mo na ye ba beche mo near the makotwere mu.
Even so o ma fight for religions we dey.
You see
yeah twe wo ma aso.
Me ba kremoni. But then no kremofo na
okay.
One thing that they be an kremofo can say Sabi ye kum in the act say won't fight for religion na obekwa heaven. It's a lie.
It's a lie.
It's a big lie.
Okay.
You see that time now Mohammed all come for religion no na a different era.
Okay.
No all come the religion next go. At the same time my Christ by for near no. They wanted to put the religion down.
Okay.
Now say nima Islam stands for peace. Peace just asumdwe.
Okay.
Asumdwe say obi yadia fasika na kokuno. Against the principle and tenets of Islam.
Okay. But
in church ability adani adiano ama se kra no ebi mo hu say mi anu say ebi asom ye tutu afọ. But it's not so. Who the real Muslims are? They are peace people, peace-loving people. But few fanatics, because of fanatics are, our Christian, our Muslim, our folks say, "Betimi akun ama yenyame no." And only the problem now, because so we a peace. Sometimes obetimi hwe wo suban or say dia brai oti there. Asori no kono me subekobi. That is it means why you want an example to somebody. But me first kind of makotwo obi there. eno nya Christosum eno nya sebi Islamic way of worshiping God.
Any na just a Nigerian actress and the Ede Aisha Lawal, and also the no action send mu take it to the IG page. Now I said on also didn't send to John. He was saying the murder of Deborah was pure wickedness.
Sure.
I call on the security operative to ensure justice is served. Wicked, barbaric fanatics who commit the crime should be dealt with. Blame the perpetrators, not the religion. Justice must be definitely prevailed, and the wicked, barbaric fanatics must be brought to book. I honestly don't know where it is written in the Quran that you must kill for your prophet. Her killing was pure wickedness, not in a way an act of Islam. Islam is a religion of peace and life. You see, one
of the things I say, Islam as something. But the Americans say, who the real people who understand Quran. Now I'm not say Islam as which plenty of them are my friends. When they are there, you'll be surprised because now then part of them also are very ruthless.
Okay.
But abuse your peace loving. Because you see, teachings because and you're wrong. Teachings be said, Bibiana, and sometimes no so okay. That is the problem. It's mom the Debbie America said 7% religion attractive to somebody. And so we show say a religion welcoming to everybody.
Okay.
Problem by mean to me who say Christian in Muslim ni ba na msima ba ware no make say no. I don't get it. Because a Muslim who Christiania maybe say my stepsister so worry Muslim guy.
Okay.
But not mean you can't put that say go to church. No, religion does not bar anybody from marrying each other.
Okay.
We need to educate ourselves more. You know who said some of the things and yet Quran and yet Bible and yet true asem I perceive na and no Islam and no Christianity. Wow, and it's becoming one too many. Obi some the way. You can reply or keep mute. Let your God fight for you.
Fight for you.
Simple.
Do now grandpa kasa waba no Deborah na one pe na one ma and the owo no aba because o share the so platform no so na wani nye ho at least obetime you ho afrim but say school dia wo ka say den exams text ni bibi beba so at least group no mo admin wo ho ka say oh admin dia so say ni den group be rules and regulations wo nanka ne watimi akọ nipa ne ncha na wa testing said the so group many enje ehu ebi etokoso ade a me de me free mu ananse ba so wo no take you upon herself no ye na adwen so wo fight no wo be ye agima ye be ka ne boso nsem no na tese di ni wo aba say ye blame wo no a ekwan wo ho no mo sa
ekua enkwa action be you are justify said you take somebody's life.
Okay.
Action be anymore.
Okay.
They be because answer no. Sabi what who said obi akum nipa no. It's not your right to kill the person.
Wako to say obi akum.
Yes, and you who right says obeku no.
Because
take the person. Take you. Yes. And action be anywhere and merit to say you kunipa.
Okay.
At best, ubetimi na call police station and a baby law enforcement no more dealing with it. And of course, sometimes you have fat and rashy and someone and you're wrong.
Okay.
What can I say? What can be? Okay, be no. Or can be you can decide to mind the person or not. Can you see tolerance and you're very, very important.
Okay.
So obeka assembly now want to me and no. Now the you have a problem. It means that you are not even fit to live in a society.
Okay.
Because your diverse views may come in there also may count there. But at the end of the day, I say to be finding common ground. No, you need to be living peacefully. Every ask no they quiet. Who are who be sound subewu. Catch us sound subewu. Into what a kuna ukunu no. Who are and they no weather. And then you put down ukunu no. Does God become something else? God is still the same.
Okay.
And at the end of the year, nyame or hata so obetua usika. Because on suma se kona kokoma.
Okay. Director members here the common no eba eye na wie ye and it's a football brain and na wo de bema eye ahwefo ne eye emabu na wo mo eba che se bibi ani a and na mo se na koma ewo bibi hu ntino che se wonya ka bibi na wan ka ne ye ebia na ya agro so ye bibi so no they were taking it in a different way altogether. Now we take eye action for football to edwa ne fa nsi.
Debbie, me say, ipa bebre o na minimum no musa no. Omo to be block from La Paz to Abeka obi anko. And then bebre nya stroke. Bebre na money o medical ze amode. O ye younger fa wa ho de ne ye adwuma papa. Na fa pesika. Na ti me live good unyia. O say wo time na wo de ye tutu asem a unyia bebre. Nyame ye nkoma no. Nyame ono oye ne ho ode ne ho ono anokoneko. Obi ka asem na wo mpa court or police station ho fa ne call na say wo beji obi nkwa every the same day nyame betua oka
I was here for Deborah Yakubu ye niwa akoso ewo eye Zokoto state a ni nyina eye say group a wo mu hususu say wa ka eye blasphemy words e dey afa ye leader of Islam Prophet Mohammed who nti enam so ama kasa akoso ama ne abaye yi one cat for ehun wo so wadwen twe efa ehun no fabra ebeto your comment section like a videos not share on all the social media platforms and so media and ekria sikapa maka